Good morning everyone. Today we third standard conducting today's assembly. Now may I call Amravati to say thought of the day. Thought of the day. Every new day is another chance to change your life. Thank you. Thank you, Abba. Now may I call Aro Singh Agarwal to say word of the day. Word of the day. First, deposit. The spelling of deposit is D-E-P-O-S-I-T. Deposit. The meaning of deposit is Jama. Second, success. The spelling of success is S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. The meaning of success is Safalta. Third, never. The spelling of never is N-E-V-E-R. Never. The meaning of never is Kabhi Nahi. Thank you. Thank you, Arav. Now may I call Arav Thakre to ask GK question. GK question first. What is the full form of PDF?
What is the full form of PDF? पता नहीं PDF फॉर्मेट है कंप्यूटर का एक फाइल का हाँ यस पोर्टेबल ड्राइव फॉर्मेट
Wrong answer.
व्हाट द राइट आंसर हाँ यस एनीबॉडी एल्स
667 से कुछ यानी कि उम्मीद ही नहीं रखना पड़ता अपने
ओके साहिल एक मिनट
Wrong answer.
हाँ
Right. Right answer is portable document format. GK question second. What is the full form of PAN? PAN.
What is the full form of PAN? You know PAN card? What stands for PAN? PAN. What PAN stands for? Nobody knows the answer? Okay, let's know the right answer.
Right answer is permanent account number. Now may I call Aradhya Konde to say news headlines. News headlines. EV sectors in India stood at around 10 lakh units in 2022. Second, automobile sector believed to be a key driver of India's economic growth. Thank you. Thank you, Aradhya. Thank you, all of you.